Hi. To start with the recipe, first, preheat your broiler. This is crucial because we want those 28 slices of French baguette to get a nice golden color. Place them under the broiler for about 2-3 minutes. Keep an eye on them. You'll know they're ready when they turn a beautiful golden brown. Once done, take a garlic clove and rub it over each slice. This adds a subtle garlic flavor that complements the creamy mushrooms perfectly. Now, let's move on to the mushrooms. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1/2 cups of sliced mushrooms and 3/4 cup of chopped onion. Sauté them until they're softened and browned, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the mushrooms are tender and the onions are translucent. This step is important because it builds the base flavor for our bruschetta. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Next, it's time to make things creamy. Stir in 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Let this mixture simmer for about 5 minutes until it thickens. You'll see it transform into a luscious, creamy sauce. If it's too thick, you can add a splash of water to loosen it up. This step is crucial because the creaminess is what makes this bruschetta stand out. Now comes the fun part, adding the herbs. Stir in 1 tablespoon each of fresh basil, parsley, and thyme, along with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Let the butter melt and the herbs infuse their flavors into the sauce. This should take about 2 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the butter is fully melted and the herbs are well combined. This small detail makes a big difference in the final taste. Finally, spoon the creamy mushroom mixture onto each slice of bread. If you like, drizzle some balsamic glaze over the top for a touch of sweetness. This step is all about presentation and flavor balance. The balsamic glaze adds a nice contrast to the creamy mushrooms. And there you have it, the best creamy mushrooms bruschetta, ready to be enjoyed. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one. Bye.